Hey, what's going on, guys? Alex here and welcome back to my channel. I'm waiting for my wife and it's raining outside, so I figured I might as well do a quick and easy install for you while I'm waiting. So stick around, let me run the intro and let's get to it. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a very easy and quick install. Auxito sent me these rings, and actually these are ring knobs that go here, here, and here, and here. And this is a very straightforward install, so let's get to it. Okay, so let's just get it out of the bag here. And out of the 4 rings, one of them is bigger than the other 3, which I believe is, yep, this one right here. And this will go into the 4-wheel or 2-wheel drive switch. It's just a matter of popping that in, pushing it in, and sits right into place easily. Okay, let's just try it out. Yep, as you can see, that works really well there. Temperature, yep, everything seems to be working just fine. Actually, this one's not quite working, so we need to do is apply these adhesive tapes that was supplied with the package, and that should do the trick. So there you have it. I placed 3 of those strips, and that should hold it. So let's give it a shot. It's a lot better now. Okay, we are all done here, and let's just have a look at the final product here. And as you can see, everything looks good. It gives the truck a lot more character. And let's just make sure that everything's functioning. Yep. Yep, everything seems to be working as expected. Right. No problem switching here. All right, so not only do these aluminum knobs, these are actually made out of aluminum material, so it protects the knobs from, you know, wear and tear, and it also gives the truck a lot more character. So I'm very happy with the install. I think it looks good, so I hope that you pick up yours today. There you have it, guys. It's still raining. I'm still waiting for my wife, but the installation is all done. Like I said, it's a very simple and easy installation. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share just to support my channel. If you're interested in this product, please go ahead and visit Auxito.com. And don't forget to use my discount code modXELA15. And until the next video, for now, if you can be anything, might as well be nice.